how to set up MetaTrader 4 and a quick demo. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the App Store and we're going to download MetaTrader 4. So once it's downloaded, we're going to open up the app. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into the settings. On the top left, there's 3 lines. You're going to click that button. Once you click the settings, you're going to click Manage Accounts. And the plus sign at the top right, you're going to click that. And click Open a Demo Account. What you're going to do now is you're going to type in FX Choice Pro. The FX Choice Pro Classic Demo. Now you're going to fill in your information here below. What you want to do is you want to select the 200 leverage. And click Create Account. Now that you're in, what you're going to do is you're going to click the plus sign at the top right. And you're going to click Forex Majors. And select all of these currencies to load them into your chart. Now what you're going to do is going to go back to Forex. And let's just say, for example, we were going to do a trade, okay? And let's just say a signal came through on the Telegram chat. What we're going to do is we're going to open up Telegram and we're going to show you exactly how to follow a signal. So this was a signal that came through yesterday. So let's just say, for example, we were going to take this trade. All you would do is you need to know the 2 targets. The SL is the stop loss and the TP is the take profit. So typically we're going to go for TP1. So what we would do here is we would go back to MetaTrader 4. And let's just say we got to find GBP JPY now. We're going to go to that currency pair and we're going to hold down the button to load up the screen. And we're going to put new order, or on iPhone, it's going to say trade. So now that we have the order screen open, on the left side, you'll see that there's a line, there's a red underlined line. That symbolizes the stop loss. On the right side, there's a green line that symbolizes the take profit. And at the top, it says market execution. That means we're entering at the price that it's at right now. Underneath there, it says $1. That's the lot size. So for every $100 you have in your account, what I do is I do 0.01 for every $100 in my account. Okay, so if you have $100, that's what you would do. If you had $1,000, you would do 0.10. Okay, now let's just say that we were going to copy that signal. So going back to Telegram, it says SL and TP1. Now SL would be on the left side with the red line, and TP1 would go on the right side with the green side. Also, if you're on iPhone, it's automatically going to say on your trade screen stop loss and take profit, so it's actually easier to understand. On Android, there's the red line and the green line, okay? So going back to that trade, what we would do is just copy the numbers. So underneath where there's a red line, we would put the number, the SL, which is the stop loss. And then on the right side, the green line, that's the TP, the take profit. So that's the profit target. So what this means essentially is that if the price goes and hits the red side, it's going to take you out of the trade with a loss. If it goes and hits the green side, it's going to take you out of the trade with the profit. So you don't necessarily have to be watching the trade screen at all times. Now at the bottom of the screen now, it says sell by market or buy by market. The difference between these two is simply A sell means we want the price to go down. A buy means we want the price to go up. Okay, so that's all you would have to do to successfully enter in an order. Okay, so now that the order has been placed, you can see here on the trade screen that the order has been placed. On the left side of the arrow, there's a number, 131.541. That's the price that you got in at. The right side of the arrow is where the price is currently right now. And then on the far right, it says minus $2.89. That's exactly how negative the trade is right now. Now, typically, a trade's always going to start off a little bit negative, and the reason for that being is that's the spread. That's the broker taking their fees, essentially. Okay, so now that the trade is open, you can tap it down once, and now you can see that the SL and the TP have been set, the stop loss and the take profit. So, as I mentioned earlier, if it hits the stop loss target, you're going to lose the trade. If it hits the TP target, you're going to win the trade. Now, you can also hold this trade down to modify it. So, if there was ever a time where you actually wanted to modify the order, all you would do is click modify, and you could now switch the stop loss or switch the take profit. Now, just going back real quick. Okay. So, now as well, what you could do is, let's just say you wanted to close this order before it hits the stop loss or the take profit. You could hold it down and you can close the order. So what we're going to do is we're just going to close this order with a loss just to show you an example of how to manually close a trade. Okay, great. Thanks for tuning into the video. We just wanted to show you a quick understanding of how to enter and exit trades. Thanks.